Okay, so here I am on week 2, and here's reading analysis 2. This is down here in modules, week 2, reading analysis 2. For reading analysis 2, you're going to follow the instructions. You're going to open a document, you're going to open up a Word document. You're going to type up your reading analysis 2, and then you're going to save that to your, so like I'm going to save it to my desktop here. I'm going to call it RA2, and that's saved. All right, so now I'm going to go back here. I'm going to click Start Assignment. I'll go down here, choose a file. I will go back to where I saved that on my desktop. I'll open it up. So it says choose file. Here's RA2. And then I will just click Submit Assignment. If you are doing, I'm going to go back to modules here. If you are doing like a for further understanding assignment, this one you can download right to your computer. So click on that arrow, enable editing if you need to, and then you can just type your answers in here for each one of these, and then again, I'm going to save it. I'm saving mine to my desktop, but you can save it wherever you want. Then start assignment, upload file, choose file, FFU, submit assignment. So that is how you submit assignments for class. If you have more questions, let me know.